Hey guys, just adjust my monitors a little bit. I have some really ghetto monitor stand. Just find some music to put on. All right. So we got a couple more auras to add here. Just a few. Let me see if okay, I think oh wait, whoa. Why is it going through both? Wait, how the fuck does that even sound? The fuck? One sec. Test. Alright, shit. Test. For some reason, both the like both my audio, desktop audio, and mic mix both like spike in volume. I don't know why there's this disconnect here. Why the fuck are they like this? Whatever. Guess we're just gonna leave that be. Alright, so we need a couple things. Legion patch notes. Where's the gems? Was it under patch notes? No, they had the gem information somewhere. It's not here. Oh, there we go. That's it. All right. No work tomorrow, Mike. I've done actually a lot of hours, so I'm probably just gonna take the afternoon off and play Path of Exile, honestly. I've done like a shit ton of hey look, I'm streaming. I've done a shit ton of work, so lucky, yeah, I get to do that. I mean, nobody's gonna question it because I've done a shit ton of stuff in the last little while. So I kind of said yesterday, I'm like, I'm working from home. I'm excited for Malay. I have zero idea what attack skill to use. I'm doing Bleed Earthquake. That's what I've decided on doing. All right, so let's start getting a look at these gems. So the one interesting one is Precision. So that's got a flat mana reservation now. Which is interesting. Why does this thing never sort by folder name? Show folders before files. Well, that would be why. Alright, so I think we're gonna go... Yeah, this is gem. Fortunately, I lost the folder shit. Call it aspect. It's called, like, precision. I think I can spell that. 1 second, where's precision? Fuck. This is far more effort than it's taking to just find... Fuck it. Where is it? There we go. Yeah, that's not the right folder. Oh, it's got the amulet. Cancel. It's called something else. Didn't realize I had the amulet in here. Where did I put the amulet? Not show up here? Oh, there it is. What's this amulet called? I don't even remember. I know what they did to it. They said they were going to make it half the aura cost, so... Wait, why am I going to Google? fuck? What? Oh, I must have typed it in Google. Fuck. Surgical precision. Also, why did I type in Dota? I've played Dota recently, I'm sorry. Look at my site on things. So Google knows way too much. You reinstalled Heroes of the Storm today? That's unfortunate to hear. Because they aren't, you know, they're not updating that game like at all anymore. We already had this one. Okay, Hurry's Truth. Is this music too loud? I think it is. I'm gonna turn it down slightly. So I can't hear myself think. They're actually updating it probably after the backlash. Okay, companies don't reluctantly update stuff just because there's a backlash. There's something in it for them. My guess is that the interest spiked up a little bit after they said they weren't going to work on it anymore. Which is kind of weird, but yeah. Alright, so let's start with this one. So this one's going to be the really interesting one. So we don't actually have all the number values for this one. Why can't I modify it? Oh, that's why, because I was searching for something on this page. So I have 186. So my aura calculator does actually handle flat aura amounts, but yeah. Alright, so I'm hoping that this divided by 2 is roughly 186. It's not. Fuck. Oh wait, no, this is like, how many numbers is this? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Shit, it's not enough. Well, I don't really know fucking how much mana this is gonna be. How the fuck can I tell? I don't know. So, try and take a percentage. I mean, that's all I can do. I mean, it's dumb, but yeah. Oops. Man, this is gonna suck. These are just guesses, by the way. Oh, no, wait, it can't be... 167 is this one. I guess 177. Oh wait. No, yeah, 177 here. I assume they round. I don't even know. I forget where I got these numbers from. Man. So this is this times 0.85. It's 13237. Wait, no, it's not right. Times 0.85. What the fuck did I do? The hell? I copied the wrong number. That's why. 581. Uh, 149. Hey Mike, what's going on? Nothing much. I am coding. I haven't been around that much this past few days. I'm so sorry. I mean, man, we've been launching our like stuff at work, so it's been like busy. We have a US launch that we had to do, so it was fun times. But fun times, I mean like the kind that you're up at like 7 a.m. or something, or sorry, not 7 a.m. It was like through 4 a.m. and I discovered a bunch of bugs. Because that's the kind of time you want to find bugs at. You can tell how much I use OS calculators, which is not that much. Fuck. It's 1, 2, 1. What was I at? Like 0.6? No. Times 0.65? Yeah, I guess I was at 0.6. So 1112. Whoops. 5 precision aura, 5 precision aura sure is something. I mean, I don't know. I don't have a better way of doing this. The numbers were available to me when I originally wrote this stuff. Yeah, I remember now. I got it from the wiki. But like, what do you think? The wiki doesn't even have the update for it at all. Like, how could they? Because like the numbers rounded weirdly, so I just like took the numbers. I'm just like, yeah, that's the numbers. Because those are like the ones that were guaranteed. I didn't feel like doing the math to do it. I did that one. Because math is a fickle mistress, alright? The hell? Doing that? Like, I hate... Okay, by the way, I should mention that I actually don't have a numpad on this keyboard, because I don't use a numpad. And this is a decision I've come to regret today. Because it would be much easier, rather than pressing Shift Star. Apparently, this stuff was not meant for multiplication. Who would have thought? So we go 74. It's interesting that they're adding a flat aura back in the game, though. I'm looking forward to that. Did I do 0.45? I think I did. 83. Yeah, I did. $65. I mean that them choosing to do flat mana for this? Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm like, yeah, okay. You know what's going to be the really interesting one today, guys? The fact that they changed Mortal Conviction to have like 1 free aura, and like the banner skills still work. Guess who has to code that shit, guys? Fuck. Why does Chris Wilson hate me? Nah, he's a cool guy. I actually had correspondence with him by email. I'm like, hey, check out my aura calculator, and he like showed it to his team or something. He's like, that's fucking awesome. And then I never got employed by GGG. Just kidding. Well, it was all. He never offered me a job, obviously. Nobody offered me a job. Did I put 56? I did put 56. Fuck. It's okay. I don't want to move to New Zealand anyways. Nah, just kidding. Fuck. Especially, really shows up in the coding whiteboard test when I can't even use a fucking OS calculator properly. Alright. I bet you there's a website to make this easier, but we're not doing that. Because after this is done, we're gonna do... Wait, that can't be right. Guess it is right. Oh yeah, it is right. It's about 19, I'd say. $9.3. Alright, that's what it should be. But to be honest, even if these numbers are wrong, they're likely going to just be off by 1. So, not a big deal. I mean, honestly, this is not the only inaccuracy that this aura calculator has. It's fucking full of, well, it's got some kind of rounding bug that I haven't been able to find, and I don't have time to find it, so... if there's any math wizards out there that really like looking at JavaScript code that's like really old, you know, look me up. We can be best friends. Actually, this code actually isn't that old. Not the oldest I've ever seen. times 2.25. 418. No, that's not right because I times 1.25. 232. 1.3. That's 142. Because they round up. Or I think they rounded the closest number. I don't know. Like I said, we can always update this later on. It was 1.35. Yeah. 1.35. 251. Hi, 12 Merp. How you doing? Sorry, did I ignore anybody? You lucky Sav, you got work tomorrow, so have fun. Yeah. I'm probably gonna just work the morning and then go play video games. I think 1.4 is what we're up to. 260. Yeah, we are. Long-time fan. Thank you very much. I'm sorry I haven't been around too much as of late. I've been busy. Life takes you into interesting directions, you know. Also, I moved to this nice island where, like, the weather is fair. So, I do a lot more other stuff now. You gotta pick your hobbies, and then I seem to have kind of axed a bit of my gaming time, so... Did I do 1.5? I did do 1.5. Times 1.55. 2.88. I don't know why this math doesn't seem to quite line up, but that's okay. We'll just leave it as is. 298. Alright. I got this on PS4, made it to the first town area all by yourself. Nice. That's the hardest part down. You're practically all set now. Alright, well, now there's a fucking disaster here. Okay, so we put that one as that fucking amulet. I think I normally put clarity and stuff up here. So precision will now be up here with the same bit value as clarity, which is 5. Because we have 30 levels of it. Okay. So that's it for that one. Yeah, it already all works. There you go. Okay, so now we do the amulet. So it's a global local item. What the fuck was my naming scheme here? Global local item. I guess it's like a global variable, but it's a local item. So, dude, I was high on something. Let me tell you. Oh man, you want D3, but that costs money. You don't want D3. They made that thing horrible. All right, what's it's Harui's amulet. Implying I can spell that. Harui's truth, sorry. God, I could not imagine browsing the internet without an ad blocker. Have you guys ever been to the Path of Excel wiki without an ad blocker? It's fucking horrible. Okay. Where's precision? What do I call my overrides? Go to any wiki without ad blocker, it takes a little screen. You know what pisses me off about that the most? It's not like they wrote the fucking content for it. All they do is they host a bunch of fucking text files that everyone else edits. They're not providing a fucking meaningful service, so they can go fuck themselves. I'm a very opinionated person, as you can see. Firefox update killed all the add-ons was torture. You mean, I thought that was a bug that did that. Thing is, what's your option? Chrome? Chrome's killing ad block like tomorrow, so I don't even know. Alright, so we have to do if, where is it? Hurry. Alright, let me console log this guy. A local multiplier. I think if I go pl dot global less mana dot push 50. I'll think. Oh wait, actually, I need to put it here. All right, so we go. Let's say we have precision aura. Oh, look, it's nan. Nice. Why is that nan? The hell did I manage that? I think I need to do something else like global less mana. Something like that. Does that work? Fuck. I pressed a button. It's still nan. What if I just take out all this? Actually, Hurry's byte isn't even selected right now. The hell? What if I just have it as PL global less mana? Still nan. I screwed up something. It's something to do with the fact it's flat. You switch from Chrome to Firefox? Yeah, it's honestly Firefox is probably king now. Just because of all that stuff that they're doing with it. I hope that the antitrust stuff that's coming after them, I hope it bites them, honestly. The way they're just mishandling everything, YouTube and stuff like that. I like how I heard they acquired some startup called like Looker. And immediately my reaction was, I'm sorry sorry to hear that they're shutting down. Oh man. So we have flat cost. Okay, that's probably where it is. Because it's a flat aura. Yeah, that's why actually. I introduced this dumbass thing where I did like payloads. Honestly, I think I could just do like, instead of doing this crap, I think I could just unpack it like that. Why aren't I just doing that? This is for Wrath. Oh good, PL's not iterable. Thanks, myself. Good job. Alright. Shit, how am I supposed to find out if it's selected or not? I think in these ones I assume it's selected. Fuck. Did I not give it like... Fuck, what? God damn it. So if it's essence form is 0, if it has an override, what do I send? I send root scope, The flat scope is root scope. Okay, because I did pass in root scope to it. So I should actually be able to get it pretty easily. Aura group I, aura. My god. I don't know why I did this. There are far easier ways of doing this. I think at the time I'm like I know why I did it, because at the time there's only like 2 overrides basically, like 2 things that did really strange things. So I'm like, I'll write this a little bit sloppy. It won't matter that much. I'll never come back to it. It'll never come to bite me in the ass. Just being lazy about it. And then they introduce like a gazillion things. So, root scope auras, dot flat. God damn, this is like a fucking mess. You can't even read this shit. Aura is not defined. That's pl.aura. 0. Good, it still thinks it's 0. Why? That's accurate. You got more viewers doing this than I do kicking butt. I am kicking butt. I'm kicking JavaScript's ass. Or it's actually kicking my ass right now, because apparently I can't iterate through an array. Undefined. Object 5. It's 0. So what's PLI? Alright, Qpop, good luck, sir. See you later. It's mostly for ASMR, yeah. And also, you may learn something. It's highly unlikely, but you might. You never know. You may accidentally get an education. I'm sorry, guys. I'm kidding. You're never gonna learn anything from here. We're all about memes and listening to crappy music and all that. Oh, it's Aura Group. Fuck you. Dude, why would I do that? I don't even know. This is the worst part. There's no other developers to blame for this but myself. 47. Cool. That works. There you go. So we have a number parsing in now. So that's fine. Oh, wait. I want that one. So we want to return this. Well, my MOS in the Navy, so this is actually helpful, maybe. I mean, I'll more than be happy to answer any questions you have. Anything at all. To the best of my ability. I wonder what that true is for. So let's see if we push 50 to global less mana. And the thing is that JavaScript is a mutable language, so there's no guarantee that won't come back into PL, but that should be fine because I don't think PL is used for anything. So let's just put something like Wrath on. Alright, let's put on Harui's Truth. And it didn't even work. Probably because this thing doesn't work. Oh no. It doesn't even go into this block. What the hell? Oh, because that's a global setting. That's not a. Oh, this one needs to be moved to global settings. Actually, that's why I did oopsie whoopsie. So Harui's truth, you can only have one amulet. Is Impresence in? Oh yeah, Impresence is in the. Yeah. Why do I have Wolves Uprising? Oh yeah, right. Okay, because dude, I was looking at that one, and then I thought I should copy that one, and I shouldn't do that. I think H is after I, or yeah, and before M. I don't know my alphabet. All right. Type error. Auras in code is undefined. Which one is that? Root scope auras in code. Oh. Because it's now use this later. So yeah, I'm trying to make it so that the bits are. So because of the fact I at one point had Harui's truth on that one, I have to use it for something else now to be efficient. What's your problem now? Okay, well, I think it was just whatever I had in the URL before was bad. It didn't have a thing to put it into. Invalid array length. The hell? Object. I had settings in here. Oh yeah, I do have settings. And Harui is false. So why was it saying nothing was found? What? It's here, and it's like having a blast now. It's fine. What do you mean invalid array length? Is it you? No. Pad. The hell's my thing? There it is. Trying to figure out, because I'm pretty sure I didn't have that error before. Oh no, apparently I may have. Oh, it's something to do with this guy. I guess I think it's this thing. Maybe I'll just put this to circle. Use this feller. I think that's what the problem is. No, it just doesn't know what to do. Why is it? Did I just go over something arbitrary? No, that's not it. What the hell did I do here? That's okay, it's this guy. Oh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19. Shit. I'll let you know what's wrong with it in just a second. Plus 6, plus 15, plus 15. 52. 52 still seems like it's a valid number. Or no. Yeah, that should be fine. So the thing I'm thinking that's happening is that this is going over the expected, like, so in case you don't know, my URLs look like this. What this is doing is actually encoding base64 in like a kind of a weird way. It's just like doing like putting the numbers into binary, which is why there's a length here beside each one. So if I put 1414, if this one works, then we'll know something's fucking that we've reached that limit. No, yeah, good. We didn't actually reach the limit. Something's just fucked up, and that would be that I didn't put a comma there, you know. You know, the simple stuff. Okay, cool, we're good. Whew, I think I have like 64 to go, 64 or something to go up to before then I have to do something weird, like add a period here to this one right here. You see how there's a period beside it? That's why I just split the numbers. And then I start being to think to myself, maybe I should just encode it in a better way. But no, Band-Aid solution for the time being, you know. Is this a script for Path of Exile, or does it just pull information from somewhere? This is not a script for Path of Exile. This is an OR calculator. It's literally just a static HTML script. It's like just Angular JavaScript HTML. It's if you've ever been there, you've probably used it before. I'll put in the URL right here. It doesn't pull in data from anywhere. It's all static. Little known fact, if you want an offline version of my OR calculator, you just go right click save page as and you save it somewhere. I'm not even kidding. It'll work. You don't play but I saw code and clicked on this stream? Oh yeah. I mean that's why I click streams too. Alright, let's go see if my little override feller is working now. The answer is no, but I think I commented it out because I was debugging it. That would be the truth. There we go. Yeah, there we are. So it halves it. Precision OR cost is halved. Okay. So this one's done. Let's start going into some other auras. Frostblink. So that was the more difficult one. The other ones are pretty easy. Oh, there's some other ones I totally missed here. Fuck, I don't want to... I'm not looking through this all manually. Oh god, you can't even look through this stuff. Fuck it. You can't even... It sucks. There we go. All I have to do is press F3. Blood and sand. Okay, let's add that one in. This is a gem. All right. What is it, like 10% or something? Yeah, that's an easy one. That's like no reservation at all. That'll be a nice one to run. I think it's just a... I don't think it... Is that a buff? I think it's a buff. I have a different thing for buffs. Buff true. Because buffs are treated differently by the game. Whoops. I did not mean to refresh that page. Alright. We don't have a picture for this, obviously, but yeah. There you go. That's working beautiful. Alright. I'm going to have to add banner things to my skills. Can drop. Where's the other banner? It's like Dread banner. Because we're going to need that later. Because they've now added a distinction with the new Mortal Conviction as well. My life is this. Alright, Frostblink, Precision. Yeah, we've already done that. Flesh and Stone. Cast an aura that affects you and nearby enemies. Affects you and nearby enemies depending upon your stance. You take less damage. Okay, so that's definitely an aura then. The other one, Blood and Sand. Actually, I think Blood and Sand. Oh, I guess it's just a spell, but it does say it's a buff inside the description because it gives you random things. So Flesh and Stone is the next one. All right, so. After E, Flesh and Stone. So I think it was like 25. Yeah, 25. So luckily, I've done most of the work like ages ago for this OR calculator. So the hardest parts, as I said, is going to be Mortal Conviction because they've done some interesting stuff with that. But we'll get to that soon enough. Impale. Pride, that's a new one. So this is the one that's interesting because I don't know how it's going to act, but it says aura in the description, so I assume it's an aura. But it basically is an offensive aura because nearby enemies take more physical damage, ranging up to 39% as long as you stay in the aura for 4 seconds. Yeah. So the thing with that is that doesn't actually affect you, and that's actually the thing I've asked myself is how does that interact with generosity? Because it's pretty fucking kick-ass. That one I'm super looking forward to, actually. What did I just do? I just selected stuff. Pride would be right here. And we're going to have to start adding these to also certain places as well. Like the top. So let's put into my... So what do we add? Blood and sand. Alright, so blood and sand can just now replace the... Actually, instead of X, we can now just do it here. Because X doesn't do anything anymore. So we can reuse this for maximum efficiency. It fucks up old URLs, but that's okay. Blood and sand, flesh, and stone. And then we added pride. Okay. Why did they add so many auras to this game now? I love it. I think they added like 1 or 2 more. But I'm just hitting F3 because it'll select anything if it has a mana reservation on it. Oh, War Banner. That's exactly the same as the regular War Banner, so we don't have to care about that. Herald of Agony, also the same way. Because I can't be fucked to actually read through all this, so... They did not make it very easy for me to determine this. I swear, us Aura Calculator guys, we always get the short end of the stick. Nah, just kidding. Puncture, smite. I swear they added 1 more. Maybe they didn't. Maybe it was all about that blood and sand stuff. I guess they didn't. Precision I got. Just gonna check the first 2 rows again because those are all the new things. Stormbrand Lacerate. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, I guess that is all the auras they did add. Actually, let me check their patch notes. Because that's a good way of telling. Okay, there's Precision, Flesh and Stone, Pride, Proliferate, that's not a aura, that's it. Okay, so that's it for that. Now for the big one. So if we go over here, so look how they've slaughtered my boy. So Blood Magic still does the same thing. Mortal Convictions does not. So, oh man, you could only have 1 non-banner skill aura on you from your skills. Non-banner skills reserve no mana. So the first thing is it no longer gives minus 50% less. It doesn't give 50%, but it does make 1 non-banner skill free. Ay. So now we have to code something for this. I might just make like every single aura free that isn't a banner skill. But like it, so the intelligent thing to do, we do something similar to, we should probably also add the images for, things I don't know. What the hell is this shit? What are you missing from property list? What have you done? On line 202. I'm missing a comma somewhere. It's great. Envy is complaining he doesn't have a comma. Oh, right there? When did I remove that? Whatever. So we should probably add images for these. We'll do that at the end. So Mortal Conviction is no longer 50% less. So Mortal Conviction. Title Mortal Conviction. Blood Magic true. Technically it is Blood Magic. And we say, actually reduced 100. Special true. So now Mortal Conviction does 0% with a star. That's what special does. That's how I indicate that. You should probably read the description of it. So what does it say? You can only have... Does it explicitly say you can only have one non-banner aura on you from your skills? Actually, I don't put periods behind things except when I do. There you go. Here's a new Mortal Conviction. Oh, man. I can't do this anymore. Actually, no, I can. Oh, shit. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just zero out all of them. Because the thing is, like, when you press Blood Magic, it's like... There's some things I do in this, which is really, really weird. Like this. So Essence Worm can only have one aura socket, right? So I do this. I make them all 0, and then I go like Hatred, and then it blanks the rest of them out. But what also happens is when you press 1 and you press 2, it blanks out Essence Worm because it recognizes you can't do it. I don't know. I'll see if I can make it nice like that. It's gonna take some poetry of coding to make that happen. Let me tell you that. I'm gonna also have to disable the thing where Mortal Conviction automatically turns on. Like this. Okay, there you go. So that just turns it off automatically. Okay, so that's what we're going to start with. Huh. So if Essence Worm is selected or Ull's Uprising, god damn it, or Mortal Conviction, and it's not even an item group thing, it's like something else. It's like this. Oh, goody. Is that it? Can I even do that? Oh, Root Scope Blood Magic. No, I think I can do it like this. I think the bindings work this way. So we have to say Root Scope Mortal Conviction. Well, okay, that's a really weird thing you're doing, Adam. Thanks. And what else are we checking for? Oh, it has to be not a banner skill. So it's like banner. Okay. So if we refresh here, I'm going to make this a little bit larger. Okay, I'm apparently not going to make it a little bit larger because the... Alright, here we go. Moral conviction. Everything is 0 except for banner skills. Dread banner and war banner. Okay, first part of this is done. We made the thing basically blank it out if it's 0. Now, the math is fine, but there's still the selection of too many things here. So what we need to do is I need to figure out... I think I remember now. It has to do with simple modifiers. No. There's something over here. Oh, item disabled. This is item group. This is setting. Disabled item dot disabled. Root scope item disabled. Here we go. If is item group, never disable anything as selected. Good. We don't have rules for it. So we say disallow multiple item types to be selected at once. Allow multiple of the same item for separate item groups. Hands are all together. So yeah, that's I had like maybe I should treat I could treat moral conviction. No, I can't treat it like like an amulet or a ring. I'm just gonna have to make a special exception for it. It doesn't have a type associated with it, so it needs to have a type. Then it'll go into there in the first place and allow me to mess with it. So moral conviction type equals, we call it MC for moral conviction. So all right, so what we're going to say, if type equals, why did I do double equals in this place? I don't even know. Why is it promising? So this is like combinations of items. Where's Essence Worm? Because Essence Worm determines it's going to be disabled. Oh, because it's a ring type. Oh wait, special disabled. Or selected. What is special disabled? That's item group. Special gem disabled. Holy shit, what did I do? Tables most gems when something special selected. Okay, that's it. That's the one. Alright, here we go. Yeah, in fact, it didn't even need to have a type then. It's its own thing. For let auras and aura. I don't even know why I do this. It should be let. Granted by gem that isn't compatible. Too many auras selected. So how did I... Oh, man. I have to do it twice because I have to do it once at the item level and once at the ore level. Well, life sucks. What can I say? Fuck. Pressing too many buttons. Alright. Let's just comment that out so I can see what ore group has. Oh, do I have to map through each one? So I have to go like aura. Aura is undefined. How do you figure that? Oh, because it's part of this. Oh goody, it doesn't even work. This loops through regular items, not my other ones. Where am I editing this? Special disabled. No, it's special gem disabled. Whoopsies. I was a fool. Root scope aura group. Aura, root scope aura index. Return true. The hell? Why is it checking this? When does it check this? Checks all of them. For what? What is it doing? So viewing, disabled everything. What's the point of this? For auras and let auras. So it's looping through auras, root scoop aura group index. So if the current aura is selected, return true? What? No, it has nothing to do with the name. No, that's not what that does. Let me just put this over here. So I have this somewhere. I have to do like is settings mortal conviction on. But what's the point in this? What am I checking for? Oh shit. Do it there. I legit don't know what I'm looking for here. What's the point of this? I wish I commented that. It's looping through auras to do what? Because, okay, by the way, when it returns true, it disables the aura. I don't know why. You know, I'm not even going to touch that. Why fix what ain't broke? But that's a terrible way of looking at things. But, you know. I'm sad. Alright, mortal conviction will be here. So if mortal conviction is enabled, so we have to loop through all of the auras. We're going to say let aura count equals 0. Aura count, aura without banners count. So we're going to loop through all of them. So it's looking through the index, so it's like our index, I think. I think we want to loop through all the OR groups. How do I do that everywhere else? For let I and... that's the one. So we have to go over here. To you too, Mr. Michelle 99 Pippo. So we gotta do something like this. Whoops, I just pressed the wrong button. Okay, let's see what that one prints out. Not consoling anything else, am I? Just make sure I remove all my other console log messages. Okay, cool, it's not working. Probably because I need to have Mortal Conviction enabled. Actually, it is enabled. Doesn't even seem to get this far. Never disable anything I selected or if the specials aren't selected. Well, that's no good. That's why it's not getting down here. Oh shit. Lagged. False. Alright. Alright, so that looks good. Shit. Firefox, can you please disable unresponsive scripts for me? Well, my music has stopped. This is what happens when you make JavaScript great again. Did it recognize? No, it's still... I'm seeing it do stuff, but it's like taking forever. Oh shit. Why did it reload? How much is it looping this? I may have fucked over my application. Alright, let me put that back on. Sorry, that Firefox also had my chat, so if anyone say anything, I didn't hear it. Sorry. False 0 0, false 0 true. Alright. So now we say if... Oh wait. If that and at the end of this will console log or is without banners count. Why is it going through this so much? What on earth? Oh, there we go. That's like, now it's normal. Holy shit. I think it has to loop through like every... I don't even know. Why does it do it this much? I don't understand. Oh, I think it has to check the gems too. Huh. So much for efficiency. Okay, let's see how this one works. So Mortal Conviction. Probably not a Victoria's influence. Oh, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this shit. Except that's not even selected. Never disable anything that's selected or that isn't, or that the specials aren't selected. Oh, I need to do it down here. That's what I did to kind of save a bit of processing power. There you go. So it should disable it for everything. Oh, cool, it works. Look at that. Now the only thing I have to do now is, when you select two auras, this needs to be turned off. Because otherwise it does this, which is kind of bad. Hi, Azariah. What's going on? Just got done with D&D game? Damn, who won? I'm just kidding. Nobody wins in D&D. Well, everybody wins. Or the DM wins. One of those wins. Setting, item disabled. Where's that? There's Mortal Conviction. All right. Ass everyone's. Hi, Assad. What the fuck are you doing listening to my coding rambling? Assad. Jeez. You know, I'm making my aura calculator great again. Actually, it was never great, so. Root scope, aura groups. Never disable anything that's selected. So I have to also say if it's not selected. I want to talk about my build. Just finished a game that cleared the dungeon. I like the quotes on that. It sounds very ominous. It's probably lame as fuck. There's nothing in there. Haha, sucker. I'm just kidding. I'm coding things at the moment, but I'll be able to hop on soon. So Mortal Conviction has to not be enabled for us to even do these checks. And return true. Okay, let's try this out. So if I unlock the page, it says Aura's name is not defined. The hell? The hell? Is Aura's not in the root scope? It's gonna be some weird shit where I press Control Shift F and then it works again. No. Oh. Oh, I know why. I have to do that. Oh shit, guys, it works. Oh no, it doesn't. I have to say greater than 1. So does that imply that the other one is not correct? I think this one has to be Aura as well. So you do one. Okay, one sec. We go bring it to full screen here. So let me just have one aura group here. So if you do one, like Wrath, Mortal Conviction is still enabled. You do two, it disables, and doesn't matter after that. However, if you do War Banner, both War Banners, Mortal Conviction stays on. You do Herald of Agony, it stays on. It's when you do, yeah, because then it doesn't work anymore after you do two. Guys, it works. So let's try Mortal Conviction. Okay, War Banner. Oh, wait, that's wrong. This is completely wrong. Why is that doing that? Fuck. So do I call it something else? I may call it something else. Where is this shit? It's like War Banner. There we go, War Banner. Can drop banner true. True, undefined. So what does aura count without banners add up to? Zero? How are you zero and then this all disables? What? What? That's not the one that's disabling everything. Disable the if number field. If aura's number or MC. What the fuck? Is it this one that's doing it? That's fucking dumb. Oh, right, because it's... Oh, I know why. I'm an idiot. Okay, I remember why. Because it falses out earlier in here. So... Ools and Essence are both one aura items, right? So I basically checked if there's any other aura selected, then disable it. If Essence or that. That's why it's mimicking the behavior of Essence Worm, basically. There we go. That's with Mortal Conviction enabled. Okay, I think we got it now. So the minute you put one aura on, you have Mortal Conviction on. But for some reason the banners don't turn off. What? So the banner doesn't stay on. Why? Auras name dot banner. Basically, this aura doesn't have a banner tag. Okay. There you go. Okay, now this is more like it. There we go. Holy shit, that was confusing. You can do things like combine, like, Essence Worm with this shit, too. That's actually pretty cool, because it only disables it when it's invalid. Wait, are the number ones incompatible with moral conviction? No, they're not. It's fine. So I have to turn it on. Disabled if granted from an item. That's... Yeah, Huh. I don't know how items interact with moral conviction. But I'm gonna say it's probably fine. I'm gonna say flat ores are also fine. Although you can't really have more than one blasphemy, but you know what? We're gonna concede to that and just leave that the way it is. Well, I mean, I could just do like... I know how to fix that. I think if you have more than one... No, it has to be an actual number one. It has to be not flat. So... Shit, guys. This is fucking... next level shit. Alright. Aura's aura... So this is the point at which it determines what it should add. So it goes, so we go, if it's not flat, shit. Actually, let's do this for a sec. So, yeah, these numbers, I don't know why there's so many threes. Why does it do so many checks on it? Who even knows? So basically, if it's not a number value, if it's not a flat number, because flat determines, so if it's flat and it has a number, we basically then go auras count add the value of the thing. But however, it will. I have absolutely no handling for that whatsoever because it's not going to disable the. You know what? No, we're not even going to bother with it because I can't disable the up and down arrows. Right? They can just keep doing this. Because how do you turn it? Oh, you have to make it like max 1. Oh god, that's horrible. Okay, we're not coding that. That's too much. Just gonna assume that people aren't retards, but likely there's always one. I think we're good. Alright, that's cool. So if we have this blood magic. So we have Moral Conviction, Blood Magic. We say War Banner, 10%, Dread Banner, and then Wrath. See, that's actually pretty good. Actually, I'd say I like this buff. It's quite good. They actually did some nice things with that. I think they've also changed some other things. So let's look at the passive tree for a second. %, less reservation. Oh. Did they change anything here? Banner skills reserve no mana. That's a new one. Gonna have to change that one. These all look the same though. Reduce mana reservation. Yeah, already have handling for that. Okay, I have these two. Okay, so what's this one called? It's like inspirational. Oops, I think I can just do this. Yeah, boy. So inspirational would be up here somewhere. I'll put it like after Moral Conviction. let's see here. I don't think this needs a type anymore. Man, you could do like, you could do inspirational plus like blood magic, have a free aura, and also no costing like other stuff. That'd be crazy. In my head. It's actually probably not that good. Banners. Banner spells are free. Is that it? I don't think there's anything else. Let me see, banner calc. And if inspirational is set, then does that. And now we also need to see is flat. This can drop. Oh god. Well, let's see how this works first. And then we'll deal with the consequences later. Because it has a dropping mechanic to it. So we say banner skills. Where are they? War banner. Override. Banner calc. And dread banner's right here. Do the same thing. Do not like the fact this already is not loading. Missing thing after property. Line 256. I did not add a comma to the end of that. Alright, so. Inspirational. That seems a little bit too easy. What the fuck? Wow, that just worked, huh? Cool, I'm a genius software developer. It's like what I like to call myself. Somehow it just worked. Banner spells are free. Actually, I said from the champion ascendancy. It is champion, right? Yeah, it is champion. Okay. That's a little bit better. So there's inspirational for you. Now we take inspirational, we go to the top here. We add it to over here. Yo, this is some dirt shit, I'm okay with it. Thank you. Tell Pat he's a ginger cunt. Well, he's not here right now, so. He's out. No, we're gonna play tomorrow. I'm sure he'll be around. He wouldn't miss this for the world. Cool, so it's just banner skills are free. Works exactly as I intended it to. See, the ultimate thing was that there was actually a method to my madness, you know? So, actually, as much as I hate my own code, it actually is, like, pretty decently developed. What's the other ones? There's Flesh and Stone. This is because we don't know what the icons are yet. And Pride. Cool. Think it's ready for going live. I think I'm A-okay with this. We don't have to do anything else. There's nothing else I missed, right? Let me just Control F the patch notes before I put this up. So it says Blood and Sand reserves mana. Precision reserves mana. We know that. Flesh and Stone reserves mana. Pride reserves mana. Harui's Truth now causes Precision to have 50% less mana reservation. Affects all versions of the item. I handled that. That's it. Okay, we're good. Oh. I think. All right, and what we're also going to do is we're going to set this one to basically be, where's my footer? Updated for Path of Exile 3.7, and assembling the Legion as my loading text. Which it really doesn't, nobody ever sees it because it's like the shortest thing imaginable. I have to, fuck. It's like I have to go to another window here to log into my Cloudflare account. Because I may have to put in some authenticator details. I don't know if I really care if anyone knows my Cloudflare. Oh shit, I need my phone. Oh no, I don't need it. Never mind. Cool. myglad.com. Alright, I can just show you this stuff now. So I go custom purge. I say myglad.com. Oh. JS. Pew.js. That's all I changed. This purges the JavaScript file from being cached. There you go, assembling the Legion. It's not here yet. Did I not put it up? Overwrite. Huh. It didn't work. It says 3.7, but the JavaScript file didn't update. Recently purged. That's the correct file, right? Yeah. Why didn't it work? The new file even looks like it works. What the fuck? Yeah, how much crack am I smoking right now? The hell? What is going on here? It doesn't matter because it's, I know that the view source. Oh, fuck me, dude. I know why. Okay, this is some stupid shit that this stuff does. I fucking hate it to hell. I have to like increment this number. I keep forgetting because for some reason it stays cached on Cloudflare. I don't know why. There's probably some kind of HTTP header I can put in to basically have it not do that, but fucking driving me bananas, man. Right. You're just bad, Mike. I'm sorry. Thank you. There you go. Blood and Sand. All that kind of stuff. Alright, I think we're good. Pride. Inspirational. Yep, this all works. We're Gucci. That's pretty much it. All I wanted to update with this. Just the 3 auras, the new Mortal Conviction, and this precision icon isn't upgraded. Pretty sure that's not what it's supposed to look like. Pretty sure I updated you. I kind of have it, yeah, there we go. I kind of have it set to intensively cache. Because why not? Like, it should intensively cache. It's not a heavy application. This doesn't even hit my server at all, this application. It's pretty cool, though. Oh, wait, what? What the fuck? Why are these... Oh, yeah, it does do that. Oh, shit. Fuck. God damn it. Alright, so... welcome to the world of JavaScript, where the mutation doesn't matter. Fuck. So it's mutating my object. Because JavaScript is a fucking great language. Alright. Fucking JavaScript, dude. I hate it so much sometimes. Invalid array length. This is just like Minecraft. What, Minecraft mutates your objects? This is why immutable languages are the best. Why can't it just unpack it? What do you mean invalid array length? Where? Oh. What? What kind of fucking dumb thing did I do? Shit. Well, I broke something. I don't know where. It's not going to make proper URLs. Oh, fuck you. Alright, we're good. Alright. Hurry's truth. Can't see it because it's too far down the page. Alright, that fixes it. So let me go... Fucking commas. Good, we should never have commas in languages. Nice one, yeah. I know, I'm the best. No, I'm not. But... we can pretend I am. I'm sad. Actually, since I edited the JS file, I'm unironically going to have to increment the number I put at the bottom. This was, weirdly enough, this was the best way I could do this. Also, I suck at code, so don't worry. Alright, and then, where's Cloudflare at? It's my crappy SDPS. Alright. There we go, no longer mutating the object. Cool, all done. It's okay, I'm sure something else is broken. It's okay, most game devs suck at coding too. Poor game devs, man. They don't deserve this. Ask a tribunal. some interesting items. Why can't I click over here? Oh wait, I can click over there. I don't know why it wasn't working for that split second. Cool. So I go like this one. It's like super disabled. Look at that. It's so smooth. It works so well. Well, I got nothing else then. That's all I wanted to do today. How long did this take me? This took me an hour and a half to do, but it's all up to date now for 3.7, so we should be good to go. I'll add these icons when the actual assets come out for this game. But I have the gems, and that's all that matters. So I think I'm good then. So I'll be back on tomorrow, guys, because it's like way too late for me to be starting any kind of games. So yeah, we'll be playing this league tomorrow. So peace out, fellas. Bye bye.